Hello everyone, this is Nutritionist and Fitness Expert Rekha Matre and you are watching Gate Low. Today I will be teaching you Surya Namaskar step by step with perfect posture and perfect breathing technique. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. Step to the front of your mat, arms to the side of your body, join both the feet together. Inhale, stretch your arms and bring them at front of your chest. Inhale, gently arch back, bend as much as you can. Exhale to fold forward, drop the head. Slightly bend your knee to get your palms down to the floor. Inhale, right foot steps back, open up through the chest, look up, rest the right knee on the floor. Curl right toe under, pick up the right knee, left foot steps back and come to the plank pose. Your body should be in a nice straight line. Drop the knees down, gently rest the chest and chin down, keeping the hips up. Stretch the toes out behind you. Inhale to peel the chest of the floor and keep your neck long. Gently curl the toes under. Exhale to lift yourself up, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot steps forward. Drop the back knee, palms on the floor and look up. Exhale, left foot steps forward between your hands. Inhale, arms reach up and back. Exhale, chest center. That's it for this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of your health. Bye.